If you're in Australia, one of the big supermarkets have got this promotion going on called Discovery Garden. Instead of that, my daughter and I have been putting the seeds straight into the aquaponics system, and they're coming up all right, especially the beetroot. We've got more of these, so we're going to put them straight in. Dill. I'll just put the dill straight in here. I've got basil seeds in here though, so I'm expecting them to start coming up. This is a new grow bed, so the only thing that I've got in here at the moment that's showing is the aubergines. Get that one uncovered. Aubergines aren't really doing that well at the moment, too cold. This grow bed got oregano, got thyme there. I had a lot more, but I covered all of them with scoria, hoping to start seeing them pop back through again. Got some discoloration in the leaves too. Oh, something's attacking it, but I have added chelated iron. There's some more oregano. Put the oregano here. Spinach, something that I don't have in the system yet. Cabbage, yeah. Gee, I need more cabbage, don't I? I've got cabbage everywhere. I'll put them in. These, yes, I know I'm putting them together. I'll thin them out once they start growing big enough. I'm going to have to build another grow bed right there where the frame for the greenhouse is. So I've got radish. I don't have radish in here yet. So there's it going. Tomatoes. I don't really want to put tomatoes in a grow bed. I prefer NFT style. Keep these away from a bell siphon. Of course these are going to be thinned out, but the reason I want to keep them central because these are going to be grown up and trussed onto the top of the greenhouse when the greenhouse is built. The dianthus. So I do like to have flowers in the aquaponics system. Oh, we've got some more seeds coming up here. So these are some more of these Discovery Garden seeds, so I don't know what those are. Oh, I've got more. So they are coming up everywhere. I don't know what that is. That's not something I put in, or if I did, I'm going to keep that growing to see what that is. It could be something birds drop there. Dill. Put dill over here. What else do we have? Carrots. Carrots do not grow well in a aquaponics system, but I'll put them in anyway. I've got them, so let's put them in and we'll see how they go. So carrots are in the, let's go this way, second grow bed near the outlet junction. What else do we have? Chamomile. I believe that's a type of daisy. Once again, put that one here. So having flowers in your garden attract wasps, which control things like, well, don't control the black fly. We're waiting for lacewings in order to control those. Unfortunately, the way nature works, most of your crops are going to get attacked by aphids before the wasps start coming. And before they, no, not the wasps. Most plants get attacked by aphids before the lady beetles and the lacewings come. You got to expect to sort of sacrifice most of your crop, unless you can keep on top of it. I'm going to try some natural pesticides at the moment. There's one I'm looking at, it's a type of oil. It's natural, but it's not good for the gills on the fish. What's this one? This one's dianthus, so another flower. And put that over here. Excuse the mess. This aquaponic system's still under construction. Chives. Chives can see, I'm doubling up on a lot of stuff. Chives don't spread out much, so they can come here. More deal. I've got celery here, all bunched up. They're going to become a problem soon. So they're going to have to be spread out a bit. There's dill, rocket, and also come here. Thyme. Got quite a bit of thyme in this system actually. I'm come here next to the sage. Oh, I'm upsetting seedlings. And yeah, so we've got tomato there. I'm going to put this tomato here. I don't even know what type of tomato it is. It's probably on the box actually. But anyway, there's the thyme growing. On this side, yeah, I'm using the Sump as a DWC. Got some more oregano there. No, not oregano, that's eggplant over here. Tomatoes. All this aeration is perfect for the roots on all these. Good roots. I don't have a filter on this system. What I do is I let everything go into the sump. Then once a month I empty the sump. Everything goes straight into the secondary sump. And all I have to do to drain that sump is to turn that tap off. And then I can get out the vacuum, the wet and dry vacuum, and vacuum the bottom of this, turning all the solids out. All this goes into a riser tank. So all this water is pumped up here into a riser tank. Which I have to cover because we're getting algae. But from that riser tank, that big stand in the middle is the overflow. Big battery outlet there. Everything just gets dispersed throughout the system from this riser tank. It's pretty yellow at the moment because I don't load it on anymore. And And then that's a fish tank there. I've got barramundi and jade perch. This pipe here goes into what I like to call the control room actually. I'll show you that. Now we have the control room. Forgive the mess, I'm renovating. This is the rearing tank. This tank is a heated tank. Not at the moment. I've got the heater in the 1000 litre tank, which is very expensive, but this was heated over winter for the barramundi. That is Charlie. Charlie was a small comet until I put him in a tank with barramundi. He started eating barramundi pellets and he grew really quick. Hello, Charlie. Right, so this is that pipe that's coming into the garage. Look at that, ants. Now that's a sign of where you see ants, they carry aphids onto your plants. So expect to see quite a few aphids. This reservoir here is what holds the probes for the Blue Lab Guardian. So I can test that. I can test everything there. And then this one here is the dosage. This one here is the dosage reservoir. What I do is I put, if the pH is going down, I put my little recipe tablespoon or 2 tablespoons into this to watch the pH go up. I also put chelated iron straight in here. Whatever I need to dose the system with, goes straight in here. Everything goes out through the back here, back out into the sump tank. The sump tank pumps everything up to the riser tank, then it gets dispersed throughout the system. Once again, all the mess, but I weigh everything here. I do all my water tests here, and I also propagate the seeds here in this grow tent. So what started off as a video on seeds ended up being a small tour of the aquaponics system. This system's probably about 5 years old now. It's been assembled, dismantled, assembled, dismantled. It's been in every corner of this backyard. This is hopefully, it's even been inside the house. Over winter the aquaponics system was inside the house. Hopefully now this is its last spot. And if you keep watching this channel, you'll get to see it grow.